What's up, guys? Today we are going to be putting the LCG.
Try again.
Wait, did you stop it? What's up, guys? Today we're going to be putting the LCG chassis in the two-wheel drive Slash. Let's get to it. I want an LCG chassis in this two-wheel drive Slash because whenever you're going on sharp turns, it just flips over very easily. So we are going to put an LCG chassis in there. It brings the center of gravity down, so it doesn't flip as easy. Okay, let's get to it. chassis on the two-wheel drive Slash. This is the two-wheel drive Slash without the LCG chassis. Look at the difference it makes. And on this one, you can see a little bit better with this. This is how high it used to be. This is where it was. This is how high it used to be without the LCG chassis. This is with the LCG chassis.
So see how much more ground clearance?
Yeah. Wait a minute. Why is this one lower? This is how much lower it is compared to no chassis, no LCG chassis. That's a big difference.